Hindi mo pa alam kung saan ka mag-i-invest? Here are the 3 best things to invest in this 2025. Number 1, invest in yourself. Whether learning high-income skills or reading books or taking online courses will skyrocket your value. Number 2, invest in assets such as dividend-earning stocks or rental properties that allows you to make money even in your sleep. Number 3, your network. Find mentors, business-minded people. Connect with action takers. Hindi yung mga tao na hanggang salita lang. Surround yourself with people na mas magaling kesa sa'yo. And you must be humble enough to realize that. Sabi nga, if you are the smartest person in the room, and you, my friend, are in the wrong room, malay mo, you can be one conversation away from an opportunity that can change your life forever. Share if you agree. So, ano pang hinihintay mo? Make a move. Kasi kung hindi